here today at SCHUNK Intec India Private Limited, a company that is a leading manufacturer specializing in high quality automation and clamping technology. The company is widely known for its innovative products such as automation components, industrial robotic solutions, and clamping tools. As we look forward to the upcoming ACMEE 2025 exhibition, SCHUNK Intec India is gearing up to showcase its latest innovations. So how about we meet the man in charge of their involvement in the upcoming exhibition and get an exclusive preview into what the company has planned. Joining me here today is Mr. Satish Sadasivan, Managing Director of SCHUNK Intec India Private Limited. So we'll be talking to us today about the company's participation in the upcoming ACMEE 2025 event. So as we know, SCHUNK's theme in the Hanover Messe 2025 exhibition is pioneering innovation and productivity, empowering your success. So will SCHUNK India's theme for ACMEE 2025 be similar, or will it have a completely different approach?
Yes, but for India, we will have a very specific focus as well, that is smart manufacturing for fast growth. So you can see that the industrial development in India is pretty fast today, and so it's the right approach to have smart manufacturing and efficient manufacturing for our kind of scenario, and that will be our broader focus at ACMEE 2025.
Since we're on the topic of themes, what is your perspective on ACMEE's theme this year, which is Beyond Smart Manufacturing, and how do you think it is relevant in today's industry?
Yeah, smart manufacturing is a title. Now, there is an evolution of products, there's an evolution of technology and solutions. And smart technology or smart manufacturing came into effect about 7 years ago, I would say. That is Industry 4.0, which spoke about smart manufacturing. And I think today's scenario in India has gone past even that. We are far more demanding in terms of our results and our productivity. And smart manufacturing is definitely the right thing to happen even at a base level, and you have to scale it up even higher. And that's exactly what ACMEE is trying to tell you, that beyond smart manufacturing. So there are things which have evolved even beyond this smart manufacturing in terms of artificial intelligence, autonomous manufacturing. So that's exactly what should be.
Now that we know your take on the theme, how does the company plan to adhere to this theme? What kind of products will the company be showcasing during the exhibition? Will there be any new launches or live demos that visitors can come see?
I would leave a little bit of that to a surprise to the audience who will visit us, and we welcome all the industrial fraternity to come and visit us. But I can tell you that we will have solutions. So there will be components and then solutions, which are innovations from the headquarters in Germany. At the same time, we will also be exhibiting this time our local capabilities, which means the transfer of technology and knowledge coming from the headquarters and value addition happening in India. So there is going to be a set of products and solutions that will be locally manufactured. So this is something that's going to be new this time, and these are all coming under the smart manufacturing package.
As you mentioned, SCHUNK's parent company is in Germany. So with that sort of global technological expertise, how does the company here in India adapt it to the challenges in India's growing machining sector? And which emerging industry sectors do you believe will start driving demand for your AI automated solutions in the next years?
First of all, about SCHUNK. So SCHUNK is a family-owned business headquartered in Germany, and you see, this is a very open-minded company, which means in real time we have the same access of our colleagues in Germany. So we have real-time exchange of knowledge, experience, information, data, and it's an organization which believes in very specific markets. So they know that India needs a very specific set of products and solutions, and they encourage and appreciate that we package the products to these requirements. So it's a very open technology transfer that's happening. So we have the latest innovation which is going to be in Germany, also in India. So to that extent, the technology is absolutely updated at all points of time. The next point, what you touched upon, is about what do you think are the most important areas of growth in India. I would like to say that that question will deserve a lot of answers, because today we see that the aerospace is doing very well, electronics is on a takeoff, doing extremely well. We see that life science is another area where we are focusing on, and the broad portfolio of solutions and products that we have allows us to be in all these industries as a primary solution provider.
So there we have it. Mr. Sadasivan has given us a very broad outlook on the company's participation in the coming ACMEE 2025 event, and we hope to see a lot of attendees visiting the company's booth. The event will be taking place from June 19th to 23rd at the Chennai Trade Center, so make sure to clear your schedules.
Thank you, and we are looking forward to welcome you at our booth and also to ACMEE 2025, which is expected to be a wonderful show.